What's up, traders? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis of gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now, what you see on the intraday or 4-hour time frame, we see a significant trading opportunity in gold. Now, before we discuss what it is, let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis. Then we'll jump onto this time frame to see how we can trade gold. Now, first of all, look at the bigger picture to see the general direction in the market. Now we see that gold today, this monthly candle has closed. This is another very strong bearish candle. If you look at the bigger picture, gold long term is bearish, no doubt about it. You can see that at the top gold has created a lower high. So what is the significance in this lower high? When the trend is up and gold failed to create a significant higher high, meaning that the buyers are fully exhausted in this market and it is ready to create a new lower low. And that is what has done gold. You can see that on this level of support gold has penetrated with the previous monthly candle. The support has it has created a lower high on the level of support, as you can see that. Now after that, this current month, the one that has closed, we have seen a significant retracement to the upside and then strong rejection with a full body red. This is a very strong bearish price action. As a result, once today the market opened with a gap up, we see that gold started to drop. Now the way the price action is formed, it is high probability that gold will come back to this level of support or even could break this level of support. So with that in mind, we could see potentially further drop on gold on the higher time frame perspective. If you look at the weekly, this is what we have seen. This is also what I mentioned in all my analysis. If you look at the overall market structure on the weekly, double top formation, breakdown, followed by a retracement, retest of this neckline, previous support here as a resistance on the double top, and then with this long bearish engulfer, we have seen gold has created a very long term bearish price action on the weekly perspective. So we have seen after coming to this level of support, a significant retracement to the upside on gold, which is healthy retracement, almost 61.8% Fibonacci level. Also tested this previous support here as a resistance on gold. This is the previous support as a resistance. And then we have seen that gold started to drop. Now at this point, what we see that after the previous weeks, this middleman or doji, this week, as soon as the market opened, we have seen the gold started to drop. The way the price action formed, we could potentially see further drop. And I think that it might even break this level of support and might continue to drop. Now, if you look at the daily perspective, this is the same thing here. It's a very strong move, big move, followed by a correction, tested the daily 20 period moving average, another move we have seen after this bearish engulfer, a doji, and then back to back every day the price is dropping. Now today, this is the first day of the month. We have seen a gap opening with a no wick at the top. So we could see at some point a retracement probably will create a wick, or even without wick at the top, we could potentially see that gold is coming back to this level of support at least. So still we have a significant trade to the downside. Now on the intraday perspective, the price action is really interesting. As you can see, this is what I mentioned in my live stream yesterday. You have seen that this previous support turned here as resistance and tested with a strong bearish pin bar, and then we have seen back to back drop. So this previous session we have seen a green candle. This is basically a retracement to the upside, tested this important level of support. Why it is important? Because in this big move there is only one green candle that not related to the movement can provide a significant level of support, and using that support we already have secured one profit today, one trade with good profit from this zone early today. Now what I'm looking forward to see that this current candle is giving us another bearish trading opportunity. As you can see, this candle is decelerating to the downside, tested this previous support as resistance, created a lower high. So what I'm waiting for a potential snipper entry in this zone again on gold based on the price action confirmation. If it satisfies all the rules of our strategies, then we'll consider shorting gold from the zone with a high risk to reward ratio with our students. Now, if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also don't forget to drop a comment below to help this idea. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next analysis.